Welcome back to the channel, guys. But before we get started, I want to give a thanks to our new sponsor, Biohazard Coffee. This is the world's strongest coffee, but it helps me get through all these projects, giving me plenty of energy to knock everything out. Please pick you up some. You can pick it up ground or whole bean at biohazard.com. The link will be in the description down below. Today we're going to work on this CTS, try to get the dash out so we can put it in a wagon, and then we'll start on the suspension. But for today, we're just going to do the dash. I'm hoping I could get it out. It was so many little odd ends in here, screws and stuff I'm trying to get to, and I just didn't have the tools. So I bought the tools to take it out. So let's get started. And don't forget to pick up that Biohazard coffee. So it's a bolt behind here, and over here that I need to get to. Now what I should have done was left the power and had the screen open, and it probably would have been a lot easier. So I'm hoping I can get to it with it down. I can see the screws, but I don't know if my ratchet or anything will reach it, but I'm definitely gonna give it a try. Okay, I want to show you guys something real quick, just in case you want to pull the dash out and you want to know how to get this part out right here. So the first thing you have to do is remove that plastic trim, which I have right here. This whole plastic trim here. And once you get that out, let me see if I get a light over here. Let me see what, I don't know if you guys see it, but it's normally a screw right there, that little plastic part. And I thought that was part of the dash, like, you know, holding the whole dash. But when I took the screw out, then this whole piece, it just slides right out. So if you guys want to take this out, remember to remove that plastic trim that's up there, and then that one screw would remove this whole top cover. And then the next thing I noticed is these bolts here. You gotta take those out to remove the cluster. Do not pry on it on the sides like I did and broke it right here. Don't do that. All right, I think I got most of it. Now it's 4 little brackets that stick up, and I think the dash goes and sits on top of it, but I don't think it's enough room for it to go up and out because of the windshield. So I'm gonna try to lift it up and see if it'll come out. So let's see. Huh, that was weird. I just stuck my hand in there and grabbed it and it pulled right up. Let's see if I can get to this side. This side feel like it's like still screws in it. But I know it's not. I'm pretty sure it's not. It's like it's got to lean down. It's just this bracket here is just a little bit too tall. It's a lot taller than those over there. If it was a way to get my cutoff wheel back there, I would clean it right off. Like all of them, like I said, it's 4. All of them out except that one. And like I said, it sits up higher than all the rest of them. So. Ah, there we go. Just gotta put you back into it. Boy, that was an adventure. Now I'm pretty sure some more plugs somewhere in here. Try not to damage it. Got it. So, like always, my GoPro, it died. It had a full battery, it just stopped working, it stopped recording for some reason, I don't know. But anyway, I am done with the CTS. I pulled out the dash, that's pretty much it. I got a little bit odds and ends in there to take out, but other than that, if anybody wants it, please message me. And also, do not forget to pick up your biohazard coffee. And so I could use the money from the CTS to upgrade my filming equipment, like a new GoPro. Yeah, one that works. Until then, guys, thank you so much. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.